Hi Fs, we're here in WV Towers. This is in Mandurriao, Iloilo. And so I am here today because there's something in here that's so special. And that is these things or these houses. Are you one of those people who are interested to live in this kind of houses? If yes, stay tuned until the end of this video, for I will give you a tour of these model houses of Blox. So now let's start and let's get into there. So as you can see, there are different types of these blocks houses. Let's start with this one. As you can see, this is just a simple and plain one. And for this one, as you can see, it has a first floor and second floor there. Let me just give you a run through of these blocks houses. So for this one, we have here a spacious balcony type here, and these are all it's made of steel. For this one, I don't know if you can see it here, but here it is. And this one, oh my god, look at this. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6 rooms. And there's the staircase going up. So imagine, it's like you can have your ready-made apartment with this kind of Blox houses. And so for this one, wow, look at this. It's a one-way mirror. Hi. But let me see if I can see it. No, you can see what's inside. And for this one, it's fully glassed. And there's another door here. I'm actually excited to go inside and check this out. And there's going upstairs. So for this one, let me just give you a simple run through of this. There are 2 doors in this side. And it doesn't have a balcony downstairs, but this one is very spacious. It looks more like of an office type, probably. And there's a balcony upstairs. So that was the house that we went a while ago. That's the apartment type. And they also have this one. So for this one, look how gorgeous this one is. And I can feel its sturdiness with the type of materials that they use. Oh, so for this one, there's a wide space for Here, open space. And probably this is for us to just check what's inside. So for this one, it has no comfort room. Yeah. This don't have comfort room. And probably this is just one type we're in. This is the 167,000 pesos. That one there. The one with 2 rooms, one up and down. The one with 6 rooms. That one with a full glass downstairs and a balcony and room upstairs. For this one, it has 1, 2, 3, probably 4, 5, 6 rooms, or even 8 rooms. And for this, you can actually customize this depending on the type of blocks that you want, as well as depending on the type of, let's say for example, you want it to be residential or for your business purposes. So what do you think? What do you think of these block houses? Do you want to have this? If you're interested for these kind of houses, feel free to message me or comment below. I would love to assist you with this. So for this unit, the flooring that you can see is an add-on. The price of each of these depends upon the customization that you did with your preferred unit. The electrical components here are also add-ons. You can have your own electrician to do it, or you can have this added to your package. I also noticed the wall is in panel. It is not the same as those in container vans. So I must say these Blox homes are made up of quality panels. As for this unit, this is best for commercial use. Oh! Ay, toilet ni gali. I see. Para siyang common. So, pang commercial gid siya. Then, with toilet, nga design. Nice, nice. Nami.
Tapos may hotbat. Office type na.
Oh. So, ang actual niya, ang di ano? Hindi. Ari gali ang door niya. So, dala ni no?
Yes.
Amo gini tsura ya dali.
Actually, may mirror. Ano siya man?
Isin. Nami kay matibay balang klase man.
Tingnan mo mga ano siya, combine. Tapos ang aris, basic unit. Tapos ang aring duwa, combine siya.
Okay.
Diba? Ano siya, may bedroom.
Ay, nice. May connecting door. Tapos may CR. Ay, nice. Exactly as this.
Yes, no.
Ang comfort room ninyong deliver. No? And then, pero ano ni?
Ama na siya ang sa panel na mamabalian mo na siya niya section.
Oh.
Tapos may ano naman siya sa loob, may shower.
Connecting room.
toilet.
And then, so for this one,
Tayo daw master's bedroom.
I see. May separate siyang toilet. Ay, nice. Super nice siya, ma'am. So this one here is the interior of the 2 rooms, one downstairs and one on the upstairs. So we have here as they call it, the half bath, or in other terms, the powder room. And this is the whole space for this one. Again, the flooring are all customized or add-ons. Same as the facade of this model house. So as you can see, it has a different one with some kind of wooden tiles in here. And so let's go check this standard Blox model house. So right away, this is a studio type with a movable kitchen sink here. Tapos full bath na siya.
Full bath. So, may option to full or half.
Oh. So kung mag-half, may ano pa siya, lessen.
85 din siya, ma'am.
Okay.
85 with full bathroom, kitchen counter, electrical system.
Dalan. 285,000. Sturdy naman, no? Nice. So, Eps, what can you say about these Blox houses that we have here? For sure, most of you will have a lot of questions, especially in terms of warranty. And as for this one, there's a gutter type there that is also included. But for this one that will connect to the drainage, it is up to the owner. Thank you so much, Fs, for watching. See you on my next vlogs.